MOLLE Robotic Kitchen. Imagine a kitchen that cooks for you, perfectly and effortlessly. Welcome to the MOLLE Robotic Kitchen. This futuristic kitchen uses smart robotic arms to chop, stir, and cook meals with amazing precision, following recipes just like a professional chef. From breakfast to dinner and even desserts, everything is prepared perfectly, saving you time and effort. In this video, you'll see how the MOLLE Kitchen works step by step, from picking ingredients to plating delicious dishes, all without anyone touching a pan. It's designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more fun, whether you're a busy professional, a food lover, or someone who just wants a stress-free kitchen. Beyond just convenience, this robotic kitchen shows how technology is transforming everyday life, bringing innovation and intelligence right into your home. Multiply Labs Scales Robotics. Meet Multiply Labs Scales Robotics, an amazing automation system that's changing the way factories and workplaces operate. This innovative technology uses smart robots to handle complex tasks quickly, accurately, and efficiently, making production faster and more reliable. In this video, you'll see how these robots can manage repetitive jobs, assemble products, and move materials with incredible precision, reducing mistakes and keeping operations running smoothly. By taking care of the tasks that are time-consuming or difficult for humans, Multiply Labs Scales Robotics allows workers to focus on more important, creative, or strategic work. Its advanced design and intelligent systems make it perfect for modern industries looking to improve productivity, safety, and efficiency. You'll get a closer look at how the robots work together seamlessly, using cutting-edge sensors and technology to make decisions in real time. This system isn't just about speed, it's about smarter, safer, and more reliable manufacturing. For anyone interested in robotics, technology, or the future of industry, Multiply Labs Scales Robotics shows how intelligent machines are reshaping workplaces, making processes easier, and improving results. Watch as this incredible system demonstrates the future of automated production, turning complex tasks into smooth, efficient, and precise operations that benefit both businesses and people alike. Nuclear fusion. Meet nuclear fusion, a revolutionary technology that could change the way we power the world. Unlike traditional energy sources that rely on burning fuels or splitting atoms, fusion creates energy by combining atomic nuclei, similar to how the sun produces light and heat. This process releases an enormous amount of energy while producing almost no harmful emissions, making it a clean and safe alternative to fossil fuels. In this video, you'll see how scientists and engineers are working on building fusion reactors capable of generating massive amounts of electricity using simple, abundant elements like hydrogen. These reactors are designed to provide a reliable energy source that could meet the growing demands of our planet while helping combat climate change. Fusion energy promises not only limitless power, but also a safer and more sustainable future, free from the pollution and risks associated with traditional energy methods. Perfect for science enthusiasts, innovators, and anyone curious about the next big breakthrough in energy, nuclear fusion shows how advanced technology and human ingenuity are coming together to create solutions for the planet's future. Watch as this cutting-edge technology demonstrates the potential to revolutionize electricity production, offering a clean, nearly endless, and efficient way to power our world for generations to come. NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72. Meet the NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72, a super powerful computing system built to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. This next-generation platform is designed for extreme performance, making it perfect for artificial intelligence, machine learning, data processing, and scientific research. In this video, you'll see how the Vera Rubin NVL72 uses advanced GPUs, lightning-fast processing, and intelligent architecture to run complex computations quickly and efficiently. Whether it's training AI models, running large-scale simulations, or managing massive amounts of data, this system makes even the toughest tasks manageable. Its sleek design and high efficiency mean it not only performs exceptionally, but also stays reliable and precise under heavy workloads. For tech enthusiasts, researchers, and developers, the Vera Rubin NVL72 represents the future of computing, showing how innovation and technology come together to create smarter, faster solutions. You'll get a close look at how it handles demanding applications with ease, saving time and boosting productivity. The NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72 isn't just a computer, it's a glimpse into the next era of technology, where high-performance computing opens doors to new discoveries, faster innovation, and smarter AI systems. Experience the future of computing with the power and precision of the Vera Rubin NVL72. Ocean Sun Floating Solar. Meet Ocean Sun Floating Solar, an innovative way to generate clean energy right on the surface of the water. This amazing system uses floating solar panels to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, providing renewable power without taking up valuable land. In this video, you'll see how Ocean Sun combines smart engineering with eco-friendly technology to produce energy efficiently, even in challenging ocean conditions. Its modular design makes it easy to set up and expand, so it can power anything from small coastal communities to large offshore projects. This floating solar platform not only generates clean energy, but also helps protect the environment by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. You'll get a close look at how the system stays stable on water, how it captures sunlight efficiently, and how it connects to the power grid to deliver electricity where it's needed. Orbit Space Rider. Step into the future of space travel with the Orbit Space Rider, an incredible vehicle designed to take humans beyond Earth. This futuristic craft combines advanced technology, safety, and comfort to make space exploration exciting and accessible. In this video, you'll see how the Orbit Space Rider works, from its powerful propulsion systems to its sleek design built for zero-gravity environments. Whether it's gliding through low Earth orbit, experiencing breathtaking views of our planet, or testing the latest spaceflight innovations, this vehicle makes space feel closer than ever. You'll get a close look at how its smart systems and high-tech features ensure a smooth, safe, and unforgettable journey. The Orbit Space Rider isn't just a mode of transport, it's a glimpse into the future of personal and commercial space travel, showing how technology is opening up new ways to explore the cosmos. Perfect for space enthusiasts, tech lovers, and anyone curious about the next frontier, this craft makes the dream of flying into space a thrilling reality. Watch as the Orbit Space Rider transforms the way we think about travel, taking us higher, faster, and farther than ever before. Step aboard and experience a journey beyond imagination. Rocket Lab Neutron Rocket. Meet the Rocket Lab Neutron Rocket, a powerful and reusable rocket that's set to change the way we reach space. This next-generation vehicle is designed to carry satellites, cargo, and even crew into orbit safely, efficiently, and reliably. In this video, you'll see how the Neutron rocket works, from its advanced engines to its smart design that allows it to be reused for multiple launches, saving time and costs. Its sleek structure and high-tech systems ensure every mission is precise, safe, and successful. Whether it's delivering satellites to orbit, supporting space research, or paving the way for future exploration, the Neutron rocket demonstrates how modern engineering is making space more accessible than ever. You'll also get a closer look at the rocket's innovative features, including its reusable stages and powerful propulsion systems, showing how Rocket Lab is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace. Samsung Micro RGB 130-inch. Experience a whole new level of visual brilliance with the Samsung Micro RGB 130-inch display. This massive screen uses the latest micro LED technology to bring every image to life with vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and stunning clarity. In this video, you'll see how this enormous display turns movies, games, and shows into an immersive experience like never before. Its 130-inch size makes every detail feel bigger, brighter, and more realistic, giving you a home theater experience right in your living room. The sleek and modern design fits perfectly in high-end entertainment setups, combining style with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're watching action-packed movies, playing high-definition games, or showcasing creative content, the Samsung Micro RGB display ensures every scene pops with incredible brightness and rich, true-to-life colors. Sandbar Stream Ring. Meet the Sandbar Stream Ring, a fun and innovative device that takes water adventures to the next level. This amazing ring is designed to make rivers, streams, and calm waters safer and more enjoyable for everyone. In this video, you'll see how it works to create smooth, controlled flows that are perfect for floating, swimming, or just relaxing on the water. Its clever design makes it easy to use while enhancing safety, giving families, friends, and water enthusiasts a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Whether you're spending a day on a river or exploring a calm stream, the Sandbar Stream Ring turns ordinary water spots into exciting, interactive spaces. You'll get a close look at how it guides the water, keeps areas safe, and adds a touch of fun for everyone. This device is perfect for kids, adults, and anyone who loves spending time in the water, offering a mix of entertainment and innovation. Watch as the Sandbar Stream Ring transforms your water adventures, creating a relaxing, fun, and safe environment where everyone can enjoy the natural flow of rivers and streams. With this simple yet brilliant device, your time in the water becomes safer, more interactive, and unforgettable. Spaceborne Artist Mission. Meet the Spaceborne Artist Mission, an exciting project that's pushing the boundaries of space exploration. This mission is designed to test and improve satellites, space systems, and orbital technology in real conditions above Earth. In this video, you'll see how the Artist Mission works, from managing smart satellites to conducting experiments that gather valuable data for scientists and engineers. Its advanced systems allow autonomous operations, making space research safer, faster, and more efficient. The mission shows how cutting-edge technology can solve real problems in orbit, improving the way satellites communicate, navigate, and perform tasks. Whether it's testing new equipment, supporting scientific research, or demonstrating innovative space solutions, the Artist Mission highlights the future of space technology. You'll get a close look at how its intelligent design and smart systems help carry out complex operations without constant human control. Spin Launch. Meet Spin Launch, an exciting new way to send objects into space faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Unlike traditional rockets that rely heavily on fuel, Spin Launch uses a massive centrifuge to fling satellites and small spacecraft at incredibly high speeds, giving them the momentum needed to reach orbit. In this video, you'll see how this innovative system combines precision engineering, advanced technology, and sheer kinetic energy to launch payloads with minimal fuel use, reducing costs and environmental impact. Its design is not only clever, but also opens up a whole new approach to space travel, making satellite launches quicker and more accessible. Perfect for space enthusiasts, engineers, and anyone curious about the future of space exploration, Spin Launch shows how creative technology can solve real-world problems in exciting ways. You'll get a closer look at how it works, from spinning the payload to controlling the launch with incredible accuracy. Think Orbital, Think Platform 3. Meet the Think Orbital, Think Platform 3, an amazing space platform built to make orbital missions smarter, easier, and more efficient. This futuristic system is designed to support satellites, experiments, and research in low Earth orbit and beyond, combining advanced technology with intelligent automation. In this video, you'll see how the Think Platform 3 works, managing satellite deployments, communications, and scientific experiments with precision and reliability. Voxon VX2 XL. Meet the Voxon VX2 XL, a revolutionary display that brings 3D visuals to life in a way you've never seen before. Unlike regular screens, this advanced system creates fully three-dimensional images that appear to float in midair, giving you a true holographic experience. In this video, you'll see how the Voxon VX2 XL transforms gaming, education, medical imaging, and design by making complex visuals easy to understand and interactive. Ultra 2XL Multi-Role UAS. Meet the Ultra 2XL Multi-Role UAS, a powerful and versatile drone built to handle a wide range of missions with ease. This advanced unmanned aerial system is designed for everything from surveillance and reconnaissance to cargo delivery and tactical support. In this video, you'll see how the Ultra 2XL flies with precision, using intelligent flight controls and advanced sensors to navigate safely and efficiently, even in challenging environments. Its long-range capabilities and adaptable payloads make it perfect for complex operations, allowing it to carry equipment, gather information, or support missions in real time. The drone's strong, high-tech design ensures it can operate reliably in different conditions while maintaining top performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a drone lover, or interested in modern aviation, the Ultra 2XL demonstrates how unmanned systems are transforming the way we work, explore, and respond to challenges from the air. You'll get a close look at its speed, flexibility, and smart technology that make it capable of completing tasks that were once difficult or impossible. Watch as the Ultra 2XL multi-role UAS shows the future of aerial operations, combining innovation, efficiency, and versatility into one incredible flying machine. XPeng X2. Meet the XPeng X2, an exciting electric car built for the future of city driving. This compact vehicle is packed with smart technology, making every ride smooth, safe, and enjoyable. In this video, you'll see how the XPeng X2 combines sleek design with advanced features like autonomous driving assistance, smart navigation, and energy-efficient performance, all designed to make life easier for drivers. Its modern interior is comfortable and high-tech with a user-friendly dashboard that keeps everything at your fingertips. Whether you're commuting through busy streets or taking a weekend drive, the XPeng X2 offers a quiet, efficient, and fun experience that's perfect for urban life. Beyond just being stylish, this car is eco-friendly, helping reduce emissions while giving you the thrill of driving a next-generation electric vehicle. You'll get a close look at how technology and innovation come together in this smart car, from its smooth acceleration to its clever safety systems.